In Master Azerbaijani Word of the Day, I have QÄZA. QÄZA. QÄZA is accident, crash, or collision. Let's take a look at some phrases and then sentences. Phrases first. Ciddi qəza, serious accident. Avtomobil qəzası, car crash. Did you notice? Avtomobil. You're right when you say avtomobil. That's only because avtomobil is a loan word from Russian. And in Russian, they write it avtomobil, but they will speak it as avtomobil. And since Azerbaijan was part of Soviets for a long time, there will be, and you already have seen this, a lot of loan words, and that's one of those cases. Avtomobil qəzası, car crash. Yüngül qəza. Yüngül is light, minor collision. Okay? Now sentences. Səhər işə gedərkən körpü yaxınlığında baş verən qəza səbəbindən şəhərdə böyük tıxac yarandı və bütün avtobus marşrutları xeyli gecikdi. Same case here. A lot of loan words. We'll go through them one by one, but first let's see what does this sentence mean even. While going to work in the morning, a big traffic jam formed in the city because of the accident near the bridge, and all bus routes were significantly delayed. Time to break it apart. Səhər işə gedərkən, while going to work, iş, work, səhər, morning, in the morning. While going to work in the morning, körpü yaxınlığında baş verən qəza səbəbindən, because of the accident near the bridge, so körpü is a bridge, yaxın, close, yaxınlığında, close by, which is nearby, baş verən, happened, something that happened, qəza səbəbindən, because of the accident, şəhərdə böyük tıxac yarandı. A big traffic jam formed in the city. See, tıxac is the official word for the traffic jam, but we use, and you will hear a lot, probka. Again, a loan word from Russian. You will hear it a ton. I don't know if you will ever hear tıxac. It's only official written language. So, bütün avtobus marşrutları gecikti. Again, avtobus is also a bus, a loan word from Russian. Marşrut is the route that the buses go. Again, it's a loan word from Russian. Back to translation. Səhər işə gedərkən, while going to work in the morning, körpü yaxınlığında, near the bridge, baş verən qəza səbəbindən, because of the accident that happened, şəhərdə böyük tıxac yarandı. A big traffic jam formed in the city. Və bütün avtobus marşrutları, all the bus routes, xeyli gecikdi, were significantly delayed. Xeyli is a lot. In this case, significantly. Let's see another sentence. Texniki heyət mühərrikdə qəza ehtimalını göstərən qeyri-adi səs aşkar etdiyinə görə təyyarə dərhal yoxlamaya alındı. Let's see the translation, and we'll continue the topic of loan word and using some words from Russian. The technical crew detected an unusual noise indicating a possible engine breakdown. So the plane was immediately taken for inspection. Now, texniki, it's obvious. It's the also loan word. Texniki heyət, the technical crew. And I know I'm mentioning only loan words from Russian because they sort of stand out and you will notice. But for my audience who is familiar and their first language is, let's say, Arabic, Persian, you too will notice a lot of words, and that goes without saying, that how it's influenced and how we have those, because not just Azerbaijan, many countries, they have those loan words. And I'm sure you guys feel excited when you hear that. I would too. It's fun. And it's great, actually, to have this. Because I don't think any language nowadays exists by themselves, having purely only their own native words. So you build it with the loan words. You make them your own. Now, and I'm sure even some of those words, it's maybe pronounced a little differently in those languages. It just happened to be over time. It became Azerbaijani words and pronounced our own ways. So back to translation. Texniki heyət, the technical crew. Mühərrikdə, mühərrik is the engine. In the engine, basically. QЭZA ehtimalını göstərən, indicating possible breakdown, or basically, in this case, mühərrikdə QЭZA, that's engine breakdown. Some incident, basically, in the engine. That's what we're trying to say, why you see the word QЭZA in here. Mühərrikdə QЭZA ehtimalını göstərən, indicating a possible engine breakdown. Qeyri-adi səs aşkar etdiyinə görə, because they detected an unusual noise. Qeyri-adi, unusual, səs, noise. Aşkar etmək, to detect. Aşkar etdiyinə görə, because they detected. Təyyarə, təyyarə is a plane. What you will also hear a lot, samolyot. Again, a loan word from Russian. Dərhal, right away, immediately. Yoxlamaya alındı, was taken for inspection. Now, let's gather it all up. Texniki heyət, mühərrikdə qəza ehtimalını göstərən, qeyri-adi səs aşkar etdiyinə görə, təyyarə dərhal yoxlamaya alındı. Okay, that was my way of using the word QЭZA. Let's see what I have for you today. My weekend plans, a carefully scheduled QЭZA. All right, come back tomorrow for a new word, but until then, you don't have to wait until then. masterazerbaijani.com and as a Master Azerbaijani app is there for you if you're interested in learning more. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.